So some tips while you're sculpting. One, make sure that you're in orthographic mode because you saw what happened earlier. I could only zoom in so far. So here's my here's my perspective, and let's see if I can view frame all. So if I go to frame all on this, and I can zoom in, right? But I get this and this. Okay, there's no between these two zooms. That one, this one. But if you go orthographic, you have so many more levels of zoom that you can use. So that's a big tip. I would say another big tip is to get one of these things. This is a Wacom drawing tablet and pen. So with this, you get so many different variations of the same brush, and you can assign hotkeys to these things over here, these buttons. And this is my draw, so I can make the drawing bigger and smaller, or I can just, like I can hold this button down and I can go like this and it rotates. And then if I hold this button down, it pans. So with that combination right there, I can just like kick back, relax. They come in Bluetooth too, so this is the Bluetooth variation where you can quite literally just kick back, relax at a great distance and just go ahead and sculpt. And if you are sitting back away from the screen a little bit, you'll get a lot more detail that way. So, essential tool, Wacom Intos Pro 4. I'll show you where on the internet to get this. Alright, so if you're interested in that Wacom tablet, Wacom comes with a whole bunch of different variations. They got inexpensive ones. The one by Wacom, it's not too bad. But I would not skimp on a Wacom drawing tablet and go and actually get a Wacom tablet. It's really worth it. They are indestructible by man. They last a long time, and yeah. So always get the small variation too, never the medium or large. And the reason for that is because if you go to draw on the surface of this thing, I can draw a nice straight line from here to here. Okay? But if it's too big, by the time I get from here to here on a bigger surface, it's not straight. So if you can get even, this is the small PTH 640. So if you can even buy it used if you want. But yeah, get the smallest available. If you can find the even smaller ones, get it. Smaller the surface, the better. Alright, if you're shopping for one of these, the Pro versions, you can pick one up rather cheap as used. Just make sure it comes with the pen. So you can see that the PTH 640, $159. Okay. Now there is a PTK 640, which is just as good for what we're doing here. So the PTH 640 would be really good for just everything. It's you can do Photoshop with it. You can do a lot of things. Here's one for $125 in the box, brand new. But the PTK 60 looks like this. You can see it's got a little bit shinier on there. It doesn't go all the way to the edge, and you can pick one up for like, between $30 and $60, depending if you get one with the pen. Again, make sure it comes with the pen. So here's $60 with the pen. It will work just fine. The only difference is it's not Bluetooth. Okay, so this one you have to have a cord. This one right here, the PTH 460 is cord or Bluetooth.